So I wanted to just ask you, I mean, even the basic stuff. When did you join Tariro? How did you find out about Tariro?
Okay. I wrote my grade 7 in 2010. And then there was no money for school fees for me to continue. I got out with 5 units. Then my mother took me to Domburangwari High. And then she spoke to the headmaster there. And the headmaster asked us to pay the money for the first term. Then he was going to look for an organization that was going to help me. And then while I was in the lesson, he came and called me. There was Sis Fadzi. Then she asked me about my parents, and I told her my mother gave birth to me, but I don't know my father. My father just left us when I was young. I don't even know him. Then she gave me some papers to fill. That was in 2011 now. And then I fill in the application form.
Okay.
Yes. And my school fees was paid the second term. Up until now that I'm in lower 6.
Okay.
And I'm so happy about that.
So how many O-level subjects did you pass?
Okay, I passed 10.
10 subjects?
Yes, I got 11. Then I passed 10. I failed Interscience.
Wow.
I passed with 7 A's.
Wow.
2 C's and 1 B.
That's great. Yeah. So you passed English?
Yes.
And
with
maths?
An A. Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So, and now you're at Harare Girls High?
Harare High.
Harare High.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And my mother was employed in 2012. So now there is no job at that workplace. So she's now living in Kumusha. And then my sister, my cousin, asked me if I could come and stay with her in Maubra. Yes. But she's having a problem with my bus fare to school, because from Maubra to Harare High is 2 combis.
Okay.
Yes.
So who are you living with in Epworth?
Like in Epworth, my mother left her mother there. Then, but I only go there during weekends.
Okay.
And then in Maubra.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Because my grandmother has got a lot of kids to take care of in Epworth. So I just go there during weekends, then go back to Maubra.
So how's Harare High?
It's really good. It's really good now. Now that I'm the junior MP and everyone is calling me honorable. It's so good, yes.
So tell me about this, because I don't know anything about it. It's Harare Junior Council. What is it? Can you explain it to me?
Okay. Harare Junior Council and Junior Parliament, they work hand in hand to serve the children out there, so that us as children, we become a voice for these people who are voiceless. And then we take their problems, like the problems of having no water at home. We took them to council and told the senior council that children cannot, you're not giving children their basic needs like water and all that stuff. And then for junior parliament, it's more like for the vulnerable children that are being married off at an early age by their parents. As we are also fighting against the religion, this religion that says girls should not go to school, boys only should go to school. Yes, and the Tariro system, I'm sure you know about it.
No, tell me about it.
Okay, the Tariro system is like my mother gave birth to me, maybe manage credit.
Okay.
And then she said, Dajara mwana msikana, so you're going to take her for compensation each credit church here. Yes.
Is that still happening in Zimbabwe?
Not now. It's almost a thing of the past, though some people are still doing it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and you're in the junior council or the junior parliament?
Okay. I was in the junior parliament when I was at Domburangwari, Form 3 to Form 4 session. And then when you can't go back to junior parliament.
Okay.
So when I'm at Harare High, I'm now doing junior council.
Okay.
But they work hand in hand.
Great. So how did the elections run? When did you campaign? How were you elected? Tell me about it.
Okay. I was was told to, we're almost 50 people who wanted at school, law 6 who wanted to be in the council, but they only need 3. And then they asked us to write speeches, like campaigning speeches. I wrote mine, and then one day on assembly, they asked us to like deliver the speech.
Yeah.
And then elections were held. After the elections, I came second. And then we went for, they took the best 5, the 5 vote rectangle, and then we went for an interview. And one was out at the interview. And then we also had an interview with the senior council at townhouse.
Okay.
Yes.
With the real city councillors.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. And I became the councillor. From our school, they only took 2. Yes.
Great. How many students are in the council in total?
In our school.
In all Harare?
In all Harare, we are about 8.
Okay.
Yes.
And how often do you meet?
We meet every Friday at 2:30.
Every Friday?
Yes.
At townhouse?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's a big commitment.
Yeah, it's a big commitment because we are called to serve. Yes.
And how do you see the councillors, the senior councillors, every Friday?
Not every Friday. They come here and there. But the mayor, we often see him like after a fortnight. We see him. The senior mayor. Yes. We also have a junior mayor.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do you see being a junior councillor playing into your dreams for your future?
Yes. It's actually a bridge for me. Like we have the opportunity to speak with these people, like the ministers. Yes. Like the other day, I was called to see the deputy minister for sports, arts and culture. I'm forgetting the name. And then I went there. It was mostly I was telling her that children are talented out there, but they're never being showcased. Like she's in the Ministry of Sports, Arts and Culture. Some are talented in cultural activities, sports, in arts. And then she asked me if I could like write the names of people who are talented and then give them to her. And I also write Tariro.
Great.
I don't know what she's going to do the next. Yes. Then I asked it, what it takes to be a minister. Do you have to study some subjects at A level? She said no, you just do your course. Like I'm doing commercials at A level, and then probably if you get a degree at the university, you start doing political. I don't know the name. Something to do with politics. Yes.
Okay.
And then you see if you can campaign. Yes, and you start by campaigning to be an MP, and then when you become an MP, you are voted to be the minister by the other MPs.
Okay.
Yes.
So where did your desire to go into politics come from?
Okay, I was in grade 7. Then I said to myself, I always see these people like in the minister on TV, the people that when they speak, everyone has to listen to them. But then I was a child and my voice was never heard in making choices. And then I said to myself, okay, I need to be someone when everyone see me, anufala kuti aona someone knows I have to be popular. And then since I'm from a poor background, if I'm to become a minister, help these guys like the life yandakala mainin. Yes. Then I was in grade 7 when I thought of that. And then when I heard of junior parliament, I had to campaign as well when I was in Dombolangwari. Yes.
That's great. So how is your new school compared to your old school? What are some of the differences between Harare High and Dombolangwari?
Okay. At Harare High, there's a lot of reading. You're not being forced to read, but I think it's a spirit that is there. You just see everyone was at Harare High reading. People read at Harare High. And the other thing, the difference, at Dombolangwari, there was word sitting. At Harare High, there's no word sitting.
Okay.
Yes. And Yeah, probably that's all.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you have anything you would like to say to those people in the US who are meeting you for the first time or hearing about Tariro for the first time?
Or people who are hearing about Tariro for the first time. Okay. First, I would like to thank them for just being a part of us. And also that Tariro is a great thing and we are prospering with Tariro. Tariro is doing much for us as orphans. Yes.
And I see you brought some of your poems. Can I ask you to read one on camera?
Okay, this one I framed it.
Okay.
I can read for you.
Okay, let me... Do you like to read sitting down or standing up? What's your preference?
I think standing up
Okay.
because there's this gestures I have to do.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
From sorrowful hearts of orphans, I hear echoes. Echoes of suppressed voices. Voices that are never heard and making choices. We are talented and creative, yet we are always stage managed. We know we are small, but from the tallest peak, we become tall. Tall enough to speak loud enough to awe. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate, but that we are powerful beyond measure. It is not the darkness which frightens us, but our light. We ask ourselves, who are we to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous, or intelligent? Actually, the question is, who are we not to be? We are the Tariro girls, and our playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightening about shrinking so that other people won't feel secure around you. We are all meant to shine as stars do. It's not just in some of us, but in everyone. So my fellow Tariro stars, let our light shine so that the whole world may benefit from us. Unleash your greatness by working hard and aiming high, knowing that every day is an opportunity to success. Set your goals and stay focused on them, because in our long and winding road to success, having a plan will help us stay true to course and achieve so much happiness. And remember, he who fails to plan, plans to fail. Thank you.
Thank you.